How to fix Snapchat internet connection on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat internet connection problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and now apps again, and here just type Snapchat and then click on it, and now just click storage and then click here clear cache, and after that go to data usage and allow mobile data and background data. Will find it like that, not allow it, and then just allow it and go back. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to apps and then apps again, and here you'll find Snapchat. Now all you need to do, click storage and clear data, click on it and click OK, and after that you need to log in again, and that's it. But your problem will be fixed, and see you in the next video.